Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited about this video because I received my first Soul Theory box. I don't know if you remember, I talked about it in one of my reviews. So Soul Theory is a subscription box that has different boxes, different subscriptions. It has beauty boxes, it has boxes with sunglasses, it has boxes with accessories, it has boxes with glasses for men and women and a combination. So I received mine. Mine is the beauty one. I think next month I'm gonna receive the one that has also the sunglasses. I'm very excited about this. So the box just comes like this, right? It's the box. This month's box had this mask is Chaleur mask. So it comes like that, and then it has a pump. So if you press it, it comes out. And then there's a matte liquid lipstick. This is the one I'm wearing in the middle. It's like that. This is from Sheer Cosmetics. And then the last one is this Nova palette. By Crown. So this is a very pretty palette. It has a mirror and then it has all these colors. I have some swatches here. It's a very pretty palette. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna show you really fast how I use all of the products. This is just like the look I have right now is using these products. This is just one idea on how to use it. Obviously you can use them in very different ways since this palette has a lot of different colors. So I'll leave all the information of this subscription in the description box, including the code, so you can get a discount on the first box. So let's just go directly to the video. Thank you guys for watching.